In the world of cutting-edge defense technology, few systems rival the complexity and effectiveness of the THAAD, Terminal High Altitude Area Defense anti-missile system. This isn't just another missile defense setup. It's a meticulously engineered shield against some of the most advanced threats to global security. But how does it actually work? And more importantly, why is it vital in today's evolving warfare landscape? Intercepting hypersonic missiles. Imagine hypersonic missiles traveling at 5 times the speed of sound, designed to evade detection until it's too late. Enter THAAD, a revolutionary system created to intercept and neutralize these high-speed threats before they cause devastation. Unlike other missile defenses, THAAD operates at extraordinary altitudes, even outside the Earth's atmosphere. It's built to detect incoming missiles during their terminal phase, the last few moments before impact. In these split seconds, THAAD must calculate speed, trajectory, and impact coordinates with unmatched precision. Radar detection. THAAD uses AN/TPY-2 X-band radar, which can detect ballistic missiles from thousands of kilometers away. This radar isn't just a detector. It's the eyes and brain of the system. Capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously, it feeds precise real-time data to the system's Fire Control and Communications (TFCC) module. Here's where the magic happens. Using this data, the system predicts the missile's path. But this isn't guesswork. THAAD's radar can even differentiate between an actual warhead decoys, setting it apart from many other defense systems. In 2017, THAAD was deployed in South Korea to counter missile threats from North Korea. Despite intense international tension, the system successfully tracked and intercepted multiple test missiles, proving its effectiveness. The interceptor missile. The star of the show is THAAD's interceptor missile. Here's something most don't know. THAAD interceptors don't carry explosives. Instead, they rely on the principle of hit-to-kill technology. Think of it like this: a bullet hitting another bullet with pinpoint accuracy. This is THAAD's specialty, using sheer kinetic energy to destroy the target. When the interceptor hits the incoming missile, it disintegrates it on impact, preventing any detonation. Example: during live tests in the Pacific Ocean, THAAD achieved 15 consecutive successful intercepts, proving its reliability in real-world combat situations. Mobility and deployment. Unlike traditional missile defense systems, which are static and require months of setup, THAAD is fully mobile. The entire system can be deployed in remote regions, loaded onto trucks, and be combat-ready in a matter of hours. This is crucial for countries needing rapid deployment due to evolving threats. THAAD's mobility has allowed it to be deployed across regions like the Middle East, Asia, and Europe, responding to rising missile threats quickly. Think of THAAD as a roving, high-tech shield, adaptable to any landscape and operational at a moment's notice. Real-time battle management. Once deployed, THAAD integrates with larger defense networks, connecting to systems like Aegis and Patriot missile defense. This multi-layered defense ensures that multiple mechanisms are at play, giving nations a better chance of neutralizing threats. Real-time coordination between these systems allows for a comprehensive strategy that can intercept short-range, medium-range, and intercontinental ballistic missiles. Each layer acts as a backup, ensuring that even if one layer misses, another can take action. Countering evolving threats. Why is this important for today's world? Missiles are becoming faster, stealthier, and harder to intercept. Rogue nations and hostile forces continuously upgrade their arsenal. The advent of hypersonic weapons, which travel at Mach 5+ speeds, poses new challenges. THAAD remains at the forefront by undergoing continuous upgrades in software and hardware to keep pace with these evolving threats. THAAD has even been tested against space-based threats, showing its adaptability to future warfare scenarios. The future of THAAD. What's next? Experts believe that future THAAD systems could incorporate AI-driven decision-making, allowing it to automatically detect, track, and intercept threats with minimal human intervention. There's even talk of developing space-based THAAD systems, capable of defending entire regions from spaceborne missiles. In the face of modern warfare's complexity, the THAAD system stands as a pillar of technological excellence, blending radar superiority, precision interception, and THAAD isn't just a defensive weapon. It's a symbol of cutting-edge science and engineering, safeguarding the world against unseen threats. If you found this video enlightening, Don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and spread the knowledge by sharing this video. Explore our channel for more cutting-edge insights and transformative ideas that empower your everyday life.